Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Wateria. How is everyone doing this evening? I'm doing great. I hope everybody else is doing great too. I wanted to get on here and do just a short little video about a decision I made. I decided to get Sista Locs. So today, which is Friday, was my first day. I went at 8 and she did half one side of my head from 8 to 5. Okay, so this is how it looks. So I wanted to show you. This is how it looks so far. Okay. So she did one side all the way back, and then tomorrow she's gonna do this whole other side. So I was excited, couldn't hardly sleep. I was excited about, having this done. So we'll see how I like it. But me personally, I don't care anything about hair. You know what I mean? If I don't like it, if it, whatever, I'm just gonna cut it off and start all over again. Cause like I said, I don't care anything about hair. As long as they and I love wigs, so as long as they make wigs, I don't worry about hair. So, but I think excuse me. I think I would like it though. So I'm really not worried because, like I said, I've looked, and listened to a lot of videos on YouTube. People that has, Sista Locs, positive stuff, negative stuff. So, but I just decided I'm gonna do it. So I'm doing it. So tomorrow I will get on here and show you how it looks. Because once you do this side, she's gonna take all these little balls down, take them all down. So I will show you the end product, what it looks like when it's finished. Okay. All right. Well, I hope everyone have a good evening. And until next time, bye.